Hi, this is Dr. Troy Hall. By now you have been receiving your weekly Teachable Moments videos, and I am totally stoked in your positive response and comments. Continuing in my series of Reading to Learn, I draw attention to a book by Ashley Rhodes-Courter titled 3 Little Words. I had the pleasure of meeting Ashley during a leadership workshop in Florida some time ago. What impressed me about Ashley's story was that of her perseverance and her belief that she could make a difference. She was the product of the foster care system, and as she tells in her book, not the best of systems. Even though others have wrestled with trying to change the system, Ashley was not deterred by the actions of others. She believed her voice had power and meaning. What inspired me with her writing is how she decided at a young age to stand up for herself and for what she believed was right. At the time she first began, Ashley may not have understood the full concept of the power of one, as she drove through the process on the sheer belief she could make a difference. There are powerful leadership studies that discuss this phenomenon that we call in the academic world efficacy. You see, Ashley's core values included ones of fairness and equity for all. She could not bear to witness harm and injustice to others. Built from her core values, she embodied a belief system that drove beyond a concept of, I guess so, to one in which she would be, I know so. You see, a person's belief system stems from their core values, and often it takes an activity that gains attention or motivation to be a part of something greater, to stimulate that belief system into action. In Ashley's case, it was not just knowing of injustice to her, it was when she began to empathize with others that she felt empowered to make a difference. You may not be able to understand the depth of her feelings in the book, 3 Little Words. You will be inspired by Ashley's dedication to change the foster care system and its impact on others. I encourage you to read her book and find those 3 little words for yourself. For today, this is Dr. Troy being grateful for reading and learning. I am not in a position to know everything. I am in a place to be teachable.